guys, it's Miss Allison. Let's take a look at your next step for active reading on your night journals. We're going to look at the short response. So once you are done reading, or even maybe while you're reading, you're going to take a moment to stop and process based on these questions. Best practice would be start with these questions, so read them to yourself first as you're reading. That's going to help you set some purpose, all right? So what does Elie Wiesel say about accepting the prize? What feelings does he express about accepting such a prestigious award? This is where you just get to process what you read and your emotions, right? So my answer was, Wiesel says he does not have the right to represent the multitudes that have perished and that no one has the right to speak for the dead, so I quoted the text there. He also says that his award is really for those that have survived the Holocaust and gone on to represent the Jewish people. So just simply answers the question using a little bit of the text if you can, and just kind of processing for a moment. The next question is very similar. How did Elie Wiesel describe the world's initial response to the Holocaust? What did he say we must do to achieve peace? And again, I went through and I looked at his text. I used a few examples here for my answer. All right, guys, super quick video on this one. You can read the second part to yourself, but hopefully that helps. We're just looking for some quick, short answers here as you process.